Mataji. So children, now it's a rhyme time. Let's all learn the rhyme. I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. I carry water to my flowers and fruits, flowers and fruits, flowers and fruits. I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. Yes, you all like this rhyme now, children? We'll repeat it once again. Yes. I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. Now you have to repeat after me, okay? I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. I carry water to my flowers and fruits, flowers and fruits, flowers and fruits. I carry water to my flowers and fruits, flowers and fruits, flowers and fruits. I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. I'm a little plant with my roots, with my roots, with my roots. You all like this rhyme, children? Every day you have to practice this rhyme, okay? Now, Mataji is going to continue the session.
Welcome back to the new session with your Bhavani Mataji. Let's go out for a walk today. What did you see? Yes, it was a small garden. We had many plants with different sizes of leaves and different shapes of leaves. The size of the plant was also different. It was small and big. Today, let us have a recap of parts of the plant. We have already learned it in our online class. Root, stem, leaf, bud, flower and a fruit. So these are the parts of the plant. Plants give us fruits, vegetables and flowers. You know something? We get even medicine from plants. Plants like tulsi, neem, mint are few examples for medicine plants. So this is tulsi. Hope you all have seen this, right? You all did have it at home? Yes. Elders at home do puja every day in the morning and in the evening. You all know the shloka Tulasi Shri Sakhi. You all can chant the shloka during this prayer. Eating one leaf of tulsi every day helps to fight against cold and cough. You will not get cold or cough if you are eating one tulsi leaf a day. What is this? Yes, it's aloe vera. Aloe vera is used to get good skin. It helps us to have a good healthy skin. Okay? Then now it is the mint. Mint is nothing but pudina. Amma will use it for cooking, right? Yes, it's very good for all the cold related problems. When you get cold, cough, everything, the eating a leaf of it will help you to come out of it. Okay? Can we see few flowering plants? Yes, these are the flowers. They are of different colors and different sizes. They are the most beautiful part of the plant. We use flowers for decoration and to do puja, and also to keep it in a plant, that is hair. Amma will keep it, right? As I know, all will eat fruit and vegetable, right? One vegetable and one fruit one day, every day. Now, let us see what else we get from plants. Yes, vegetables. Vegetables are very good for health. Eating them will keep us healthy and strong. Amma will prepare curries and also salads and sambar. So many recipes, right? So many different types of foods are prepared. Eating them will make you strong. Now, what next? We have fruits. Can you see? They grow on trees and plants. What will Amma do with fruits? Yes, Amma will prepare juice, salad, then milkshakes. Yes, and also jam. Children, plants give us so many things. So, it is our duty to look after them also, right? Let's see how can we help them. Okay? First thing is, we have to keep the place very clean. It has to be kept in proper sunlight. And also, you have to water the plants every day. Plants give us good air, that is oxygen. So today we revised parts of the plant and learnt about the plants around us. See you in the next session.
Shilpa Mataji is back, children, with a new activity. Now let us see the things required to do this activity. Here I have collected few fallen leaves, children. One big leaf and 4 small leaves. And for eye, I have used white paper, Fevicol to paste. Cut this corner of the leaf in V shape. We will do this activity in drawing book. Write the date as 24-7-21 and heading as leaves art. Now let us start doing this activity. Yes. First take the big leaf and apply the glue back of the leaf. Apply glue all over the leaf. I applied the glue, children. Now I am going to paste it on the sheet. Now take 2 small leaves and apply the glue. You should apply back of the leaf, children. Like this, you are supposed to paste another 2 leaves, children. Now we have 2 more leaves, right, children? Now take other 2 leaves and apply the gum back of the leaves. Now I am going to paste another 2 leaves at the sides of the big leaf. Press it gently, children, so that the leaf will not fade. Now We will paste the eye. Apply the glue and paste it. This is how it looks. Hope you all got to know, right? What is this, children? Yes, you're all right. This is a fish. Hope you all enjoyed doing this activity.
Namaste children. Are you all ready for the home activity? To be very strong and healthy, what you should eat daily? You have to eat vegetables, right? So your mother is going to get vegetables from the market, and those vegetables have to be cleaned. That is, it has to be washed and dried. Fine. All those things Amma will do, right? You all know, correct? You are going to separate those vegetables and help your Amma in arranging them in the refrigerator. Fine, children? So children, now I am having 2 bowls of vegetable which are washed and dried. Fine. Now let me pour those vegetables on a cotton cloth. Fine. So cotton cloth absorbs the water if any water is left over in the vegetables, right? So let me pour everything here. Okay. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರಿನ ಅಂಶ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಟನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆವಾಗ ತರಕಾರಿ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ them separate children now. Okay. So let us keep these 2 carrots here. Okay. Now what is this? Cucumbers, right? Let's keep them here. Okay. Cucumber ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Cucumber ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೌತೆಕಾಯಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಇದು bitter gourd. Bitter gourd ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು children? Yes, ಹಾಗಲಕಾಯಿ. Correct? So let us keep them separately. See, beans also we will keep them separately like this. Fine? Beans ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುರುಳಿಕಾಯಿ. ಇದೇನಿದು? ಚೌಚೌ. ಚೌಚೌ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೀಮೆ ಬದನೆಕಾಯಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay. Now capsicum. These are brinjals. Fine. Let's keep them separately now. Fine. Yes. Now see, I am using refrigerator bags for keeping the vegetables. Okay. So let's keep them inside these bags and zip them. Fine. And keep it aside. Okay. And if you don't have the bags, you can use this type of paper covers also. Fine. See, I am keeping carrots in the paper cover. Fine. Now one by one, let's keep everything in the bags. In your house also you will have a box like this inside the refrigerator where you can arrange the vegetables. You can take Amma's help. See, one by one I am arranging now. Hope you all like this home activity. You learned how to separate the vegetables and keep them in the fridge. This will help children in knowing different vegetables, and also the bondage between mother and the child will increase. That's all for this session, children. Ram Ram.